Yeah, today I want to film this nice looking Marantz model 4430. This receiver, it's a 4 quad receiver made in Japan. Very nice piece, and it has this amazing looks. As you can see, it has 7 knobs on the bottom, and it has 10 knobs on top of the big knobs from the bottom. Those little ones, it has a nice looking, expensive looking piece. And this Marantz, guys, it's just an amazing piece. The power, guys, is just fantastic. It's very, very strong power. It throws a lot of aggressive sound, heavy sound, and it's just the clarity, guys, is just there. All, they're all in there in one stereo receiver, all combined, all the good stuff, and it's just amazing, guys. This beast, guys, is very heavy. It has 4 capacitors because it's 4 quads. Yeah, 4 capacitors inside of this stereo, and 1 huge transformer in the middle. So transformer, it's in the middle, and then the capacitors, it's around the transformer, and they are huge tube looking, black looking tubes, and it's just amazing. I mean, it's heavy, and this thing can throw a lot of power. If you have a good speakers, maybe 10, woofer, 10-inch woofer, and if you have maybe 3 tweeters and 1 mid, like Sansui speakers or Marantz, of course, definitely you want to make sure, you want to have all Marantz together, your stereo system. It would be really nice, and it could throw a lot of power. This thing, guys, this piece, this 443, as you can see right there, it's a very strong, powerful receiver. And this is about, I don't know, I believe if you buy it brand new, it's about $1,000, and used, I think it's like 600, 700 in eBay. And including the shipping. But this thing, it's gonna cost, I believe, about close to $1,000. It's because you gotta pay for the shipping and handling. This thing is very heavy, guys. And yeah, so this is the knobs. We have the power button on the right, and over here we have the volume, treble, the boss, remote control, dimension, the mode. So you can see, guys, right there, from mono to channels, discrete, varimatrix, SQ, decoder, and the 4 channels for the 4 quad if you want to use 4 speakers in your living room or in your sound system room. And over here we have the selector right here, AM FM phono tape, auxiliary 1, auxiliary 2, which is the AUX1 and AUX2, and we have this the outlet for headphone, yeah, and rear. There's one in the bottom, it says rear. Yeah, so I believe you can plug 2 headphones here with this Marantz. It's a very nice piece, guys, and expensive. And let's turn it on, guys. There's the thermo, what do you call this? This is the UV, this signal strength for radio station, and the FM, yeah, for the tuning. That's yeah, they do move when you're looking for a radio station for the signal. Yeah, they move back and forth looking for the signal, and yeah, and that's indicates, you know, when you find the radio station. Yeah, and you see the green blue light and the orange red light for FM phono tape, AUX1, AUX2, AM, and the stereo. If you find
get up to $750 sportsbook bonus back.
Let's see. Here. Sounds really good. Powerful. You can hear. It has this gorgeous sound.
And you know I'm a big supporter of our first responders, and I prefer to work with people like Mark.
Hear the sound, even the voice.
Years, world famous Autoland is the destination dealership worth the drive from anywhere. There's no car shortage at Autoland. If you haven't been there, you have to see the place. They've got that one.
Amazing sound, guys. I mean, it's very crisp. The clarity, very clean. The bass, it's just amazing, guys. I love this Marantz. And I built a case for this, as you can see. This is homemade. I did not buy this in eBay because they are very expensive. They're probably $400, $500, $600, and you got to pay for the shipping. And what I did here, guys, we built the case for this. As you can see, it's not professional. I mean, it's not really, you know, 100%, you know, looking like a professional work, but it's amazing to have a case, as you can see. Yeah, and I paint this black, the corner, yeah, right there. Very nice Marantz.
We provide you with the information you need.
The sound quality is just amazing. I mean, I'm a big fan of Marantz, and then Sansui, then Pioneer, you know, and then Luxman. There's a lot of Harman Kardon. There's a lot of good receivers out there. Very nice receivers, but it costs you know, more money. These are not cheap. They are known. Marantz is very known, very popular, even nowadays. Back then, in the 60s, 70s, and 80s, Marantz, it's top of the line. It's just amazing. It's because the manufacturer of the receiver, I believe either in the United States or Japan, because they merge and then they send it back here and then they sell this Marantz around the globe. So very, very expensive and very popular back then, you know. Even today, guys, Marantz it's still popular for people that know about stereos. And then Sansui, yeah, Sansui, made in Japan. They built that from the 70s, and they start selling Sansuis, and it was popular back then. So Marantz and Sansuis, they are known, they're popular. They have very nice sounds, and if you check my other videos, I have videos of Sansui. Very nice sound, very clean, crisp, and I have a set of Sansui stereos. They are amazing, guys, and my speakers, the vintage Sansuis, and it's nice. Check it out, guys. You can see in my other videos. Very, very nice piece of Sansuis. And up here, guys, I'm using a realistic turntable, my Lab 400. Very nice sound. It's a good quality. It's a good turntable, and hopefully I'll get the Marantz turntable, guys. But this one is not bad at all. It's amazing. It has an amazing performance. The sound quality is just amazing. I love it. But maybe one day I want to have a set of Marantz, from turntable to receiver and to speakers. I do have a Marantz speakers already. I do have vintage 2 8-woofer speakers from Marantz, and definitely this one here. It's yeah, it's a good receiver for my Marantz speakers. And we have the knobs, those little knobs here. We have the one for loudness, filter, main speaker, the remote, and over here we have the rear for the speaker, left and right. These are the balance knob right here. Just turn this to the right, to the left, and this one here, the front, left and right. And over here on the corner on the left, the monitor tape source button. Monitor 1, monitor 2. We have the FM mono and mute. So there it is. These are all the knobs, guys, as you see. Yeah. And yeah, I think more than 4 Marantz stereos receivers. Yeah, I'm looking at it. I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5. Actually, I do have 5 Marantz. I have the model 220, the MR220, and I have this model 4430, and I have model 1040 Marantz, the small one, which is the console stereo amplifier. And I have which one? I have the SR 5100, and I have a black one in the garage. I just don't quite remember the model, So I have 5 Marantz, and all I need is a turntable. But I'm looking in eBay, and if somebody's selling it for a good price, for a good score, then I'll definitely get it. So if you guys want to invest Marantz, this Marantz, the 4430, is not bad at all. Not bad at all. It's a good receiver, and it has this gorgeous looks, so you can see. Very nice. The coloration here, very cool. You can see. Yeah, about 700 plus shipping, so close to $1,000. You can check it in eBay, and if you're lucky, it could be lower. If somebody's desperate to have, you know, money, they might lower the price, and you can be lucky. Yeah. And down here, guys, I want to show you guys what I have here. I have this Kenwood. These are rare, so you can see. Yeah, very cool piece. Let me turn it on. Look at that, guys. Very nice looking piece. These are hard to find nowadays. In eBay, you can, but it's always gonna cost you more shipping. These are the knobs right here, the switches, and these are the knobs. Yeah. And down here, guys, I have Pioneers, 3 Pioneers. So you can see different model. Very cool. Hard to find, and yeah, I keep it, and you know, as a collector, you know, you collect those stuff, and I don't know what's gonna happen next. Maybe I'll sell it, make a profit, and yeah. And over here, guys, I have some crazy stuff here. I have this JVCs, 2 of them, so you can see. 2 JVCs. Oh, I do have 6 Marantz here. I don't even remember. I still have Marantz here, this modern one. Yeah, I do have 6 Marantz altogether. And up here I have a Harman Kardon and a Sony. Yeah, vintage turntable. And down below I have Techniques, and there's another one on the bottom, which is the realistic. Yeah, and I still have some more down there, but it's, yeah, somewhere down there. So I got speakers here. These are vintage, so you can see KLM or KLH. Yeah, KLH. See, very nice looking piece, and it sounds great. And I still have some stuff there. I still have Reciever, and look, there's bottles of liquor. I just toss it in there. So yeah, guys, so if you want to have a really good stereo, want to invest one time, just, you know, one shot. You don't want to keep buying Reciever, and then later on you're not satisfied, and then you buy again and again. You just do it one shot. Marantz, guys, very, very nice. It has an amazing sounds, and this is 4 quad, guys. Remember, 4 quad, you can use 4 speakers, and it throws a lot of power, and it has 4 capacitors, huge capacitors, like this big, 4 of them, and a big transformer. So think about it. I mean, do the math. It's amazing, amazing stereo, and it's very heavy, guys. This thing is very heavy, just like the Sansui 6 that I saw in flea market. I was gonna buy it, but he was selling it for $50. But that thing was heavy, and I know it's gonna have a good sound but I already have Sansui's, my G2000, and I said I don't think I need more, but that one is a nice looking piece. It has a brown cover, yeah, and I don't know. Sometimes I thought it twice, like I should have bought it. But I have more stereos in my garage, guys. I have two sets of shelvings, yeah, in the garage, and it has a lot, stereo receivers, guys. You've seen my other video, and I'm gonna make a video again, but I have a video, yeah, in my channel that you can check, and you'll see it there. I was filming the stereos in the garage when I was trying to get my Sansui's, and you'll see it there. So this is a very, very good investment, guys. I mean, if you really want a good stereo receiver, this Marantz 4430, yeah, quad radial, four quad, and that means it has a good power, good clarity, good sounds. And if you have a big place like your living room or your music room or your home theater room, this thing can throw a lot of power, and I did already. Maybe next time when I film again, I'm gonna blast this thing, and you guys can really hear the sound quality, what I'm talking about here. And I'm using this Italian speaker, yeah, this Italian speakers, 2 of them. Very, very, very nice. Very nice sounds, guys. I mean, the clarity of this. Imagine if you're using 10-inch woofer speakers with 2 or 3 tweeters and 1 mid. This thing can punch. So there it is, guys. Another video here from this beautiful, beautiful piece from Marantz, made in Japan. 4430 4 quad. So there it is. Hope you liked the video. Hope you liked the demo about this Marantz, and yeah, and I will see you again in the next video. So appreciate that, guys, if you hit the subscribers and hit all, so you'll receive a notification in your YouTube channel every time I upload a new video. So guys, thank you so much, and I will talk to you again next time, and enjoy your stereo system at home. So for now, I'll say bye bye.